forgot to record a intro for this video. Right now, this is the end. You'll see me at the end. You'll see this me. But anyways, this will be the intro. So welcome. This is vlog number 37. Vlog number 37 right here. So basically in this video we have a horse race, a car meet, and I'm making a pumpkin. So yeah, hope y'all enjoy this video, and yeah. Go into those doors and get to the other side. Okay, gotcha. You're going. Okay. Oh, I know you was. I know you was. May look a little sweaty, but I'm gonna do a little recap on what I did. So basically, I after the races, the horse races, we went to Sam's Club, got a Steak and Shake, and what else? I rode my bike. That's why I'm sweaty. Me and Parker were playing frisbee. Anyways, what I'm gonna do now is gonna make some business cards, and I don't know what else I'm gonna do, but yeah, that's what I have for plan right now. Tomorrow I'm gonna be on vlog making a pumpkin. So yeah, currently 9:19. I'm gonna make this a 2-day vlog, so I'll see y'all in the next day. My printer would not print the stuff, so I couldn't do that. But anyways, in the next day we're gonna do a pumpkin, probably ride bike, and yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna make another guitar video. Seems like y'all like it, so yeah. And I'll just put another guitar video. But anyways, I'll see y'all in the next day of this vlog. So yeah, see y'all there. Guys, welcome back. Day 2 of the vlog, and today we are probably going to a car meet. It's currently like 12:22 right now. So yeah, we're gonna probably go to a car meet, make pumpkin after. I have some stuff I need to fold, and yeah. Oh, I remember this one. Y'all remember that one? Oh, because of hold on. That's what this purple one here should sound like. Hey, if y'all didn't tell, we're at the car meet now, and we're just walking down what they have. This El Camino's nice. We are back home. I'm about to do the pumpkin, and that'll be it for this 2-day part vlog after that pumpkin. But Halloween is soon. I guess I'm excited. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse everything. So yeah. Guys, I finished the pumpkin. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna put a candle in there later. Small little teeth. It's alright. I don't think it's one of my best ones. Obviously, I didn't use a template or anything, but yeah. Guys, end of the video, me again. Hope you enjoyed the video. You know, yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe and the notification bell, never miss it on the video or vlog. Once again, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope it was enough content. I hope you enjoyed this 2-day video. So yeah, peace out.